Again, let me start in this video to implement for the layout and make it nicer like this one. First of all, let me manage the size of element. If you see, this one needs some managing in the size, so if I just close this one, the height of the object is like too much. You need to leave some padding there, so I need to do padding or margin. No, margin being one object, another padding between me and other object. You could do both for now. So for example, I say in the top, I need you in the top at like 14 pt, which is too much. 14, like you say, hey, 20 pt. This is the space you added. Margin, you know that margin between you and other object, but because I need to affect on my object, I would not use margin, I would use padding. Padding means same object, it is me and my outside boundary. So I say, hey, padding from the top, I want you to leave, like for example, 13 pt. See how is it? So still I'm holding this object. Now if I change the color, I still the same object. This one I change the size for it, so I would say, hey, this one I would change the size for it to 30 pt, and the width and the height 13. So I will change all object here. I have them to 30 by 30 to make it in this way. So yeah, try to manage the size for all object to make it in the way that I want it. I want this object to appear to be same as a calculator. So every object I have to go through them and I do same changes. As I told you, I do this thing to make you understand everything, but you could do in one row and just copy the content and use it in different rows. So this one did not take the height, take it 13 by 13, but also still adding size the element is not good, because this application may not work on different device size, which is small device size. You need to do different layout for that devices, and we will go later on talking about these things. So yes, this one and this one 13 pt, and this one should be 30 high, 30 width, and this one should be 13 by 13. Hopefully he took the 13, but this one did not took. Okay, wait, 13, wait, hey, why you did not take it? 30 pt, there you go. This one should also take the weight 13 by 13. Did this one take 13? Why it look like too bigger than that one? So okay, I don't know why, but maybe the size of the element, when I change all the object, I will have them in the way that I want to appear. Yes, I think now everything is sound good to me, but why this one? It's looking like to me this one is bigger than this one. Even they are same. This one should be 16 because he have to take the width of two elements, not only one. So 113, but I need him to take like this one. He take two objects. So it should be 16, because you know every object have 30, so 60 will be better, or will to match the new design. This both, and this one. Hopefully everything will work now. Yeah, so now everything should work. But if you see now, maybe the object are appear bigger than what we expect. Should be this 16 good, but this one is not appearing in the way that we want. I think this object doesn't appear on the size that we want them to appear. It just appear. This is not look like same as size of this one. Okay, look back to the design. So let me just maximize it to see what's going on. Maybe he just try to reduce the size for me to make it clear, because this is like not normal to show me buttons. I give them same size, but he give me different size for them. So yes, looking back here to the preview to see is everything good. Preview for the device. Okay, I don't like the way that he show me now. He should show me all devices in same size, because all of them have layout with layout height 13 pt. Should be all of these have same. Okay, I will work around this thing, because this one maybe only on design, maybe will not appear on when someone do debugging. But let me just do the color, and if this one continue errors, we will work on it. If you see, this is my colors. So I need my calculator take this colors. So how I do that? I need to take the color from this device. How to take it? Okay, process is really easy. Just go to Google and say hexa, just getting hexa color from image. Look for any page. So maybe this one will work. Getting hexa from image. Yes, here you go. Just select your image. I have it, this one. Show. Yeah, I just select, for example, this color. He give me this is hexa color. Okay, take it, copy, go back. In my application, I go to the project, I go to the colors, I add this color, which is, that we suppose, color. I name it gray for me, and I would say this color. So to use this color, where I want to use it, I want to use it in this object. So I have to say, hey, my background should take that color, which is the gray one. Okay, here you go, take it. Now what the next? Go here. What I have more? I have this color, some color new for me. I never see it. So this one, name it, copy it, go back to project, go to the color, add this color, which is color. I name it white bag, it's because it look like white bag. I don't know what you have to name it, but I name it white bag. So going back here, just say, hey, this is my button. Let me give it the background color, which is this color, which is the white bag one. This one, you have to take it. I could copy it and use it in different places, which is like this one, because all the 9 objects, I think they are taking same color. It will work around all this problem, don't worry. So this one, I just copy same color, same path. You could repeat the process in the way that you would like. I would like to use this one because I see it, for me it's easier to track, to follow. So yes, white bag, everything sounds good for me. Yes, some colors, some nice color on the buttons. I think only these. I have no idea if we do continue for other things or only these images. But we make sure if he just use it for the last row also or not. So yes, he using them to the last row also. So last row both also using this one, and this one using same color. That's cool, sounds cool. So yes, so what I have missed, if you just go back, this color. Okay, let me just say, hey, I need you. I don't know, it's like not blue, and I find a new color, name it, it's not blue, this one, but name it BU operation color. Okay, add this one, and if I just go back, I say, hey, this is my operation. Let me just select it from drop down colors. He doesn't show me. If I just search for it, BU operation, hey, I think I didn't copy the right color. I just selected, yeah, he have to take it. He did not take it. So make sure to go back and select this one, not that one. Okay, so they will appear here. Here you go. Yes, here you go. So continue with the process of operation colors. We want to make it a little bit similar than our calculator. So yes, it looks like everything fine now for me. I think I did everything fine for now. All the color look fine. So yes, so yeah, it looks sound everything fine. I don't know why he gave that color to the background, even we did not. But you could give the background also a color just to make it like something familiar. Give it a gray for all the background to make it like something familiar to the calculator. So yes, look like all the buttons, everything look like similar what I want it to be. I think this is design layout. Let me just see more what we have. What more we have, this one should be black. The color of this object should be black. For the numbers, all numbers have to be black. Text color, you have them, all these are black, but this one have to be white. So I have to go and select the white color that he used. Shouldn't be this one. I think I know the white color, but somehow a white color should be FFF. I don't need to care about that color. I could get it from here by saying color. I know the white color, because the white color FFFF. So I say hash FF 6F. Yes, I know that. I know the white color. I use it a lot. So this one has the text color for it should be white. So I say text color. If you see it here, colors white. So it will appear in the way that I want it to appear. Don't worry about this some changing in the layout. This is not real, because something like, because this one have to be as background. I don't know why it's going the background. So should this one, the background should be continue blue. Where is going the blue one? Hey. Hopefully I did. Oops, I think I did by mistake remove it someone. So let me just back space. Maybe I removed this one by error. Then I add my color here. So going back, yes, this is, I think this similar, only this text color for this one needs to be changed. So I say text size, I think, I believe. If I don't get it, I would go here and say text color, text size. Okay, 18. If you see 18 is not good, yeah, should be good now. If you see the padding like taking too much from the screen, you could reduce it in the way that I think the padding take too much, or the margin too much, margin layouts or padding layout. For this one, 13 is too much. 20 pp. Yes, maybe you need to reduce it to 10. Yes, I think, is it similar? Yeah, 10. This, because this text size need to be increased. Text size. $14. Yes, sound like. But if you see the text color size, also text color, if you look at here, also should be white. You cannot add black inside. So I just look for text color and change it to the white one. Yes. Now the calculators look like similar what I want it to be. If I just select different device, see, this is not a problem in UI. This is just emulator work. It should work fine when he go to the live. So now, yes, I think everything sounds cool. So let's go next and start do some work.